Ford Fair 2023 was awash with stunning blue ovals of all ages. One such standout on the classic Ford stand was this Mk2 Consul, a proper rarity which, as it turns out, was far from standard. But first, our friends at Lancaster Insurance are running monthly giveaways. You can win all sorts, from experience days to tools, restaurant vouchers and tech. So click the link below at the end of the video to enter their latest competition.
So this is a 1953 Mk2 Consul. I call it a Restomod because it's modified and restored. It was an abandoned hot rod project when I bought it. Well, I was looking for a road car project after years of competing. It came up on a well-known auction site and it was local in Northampton. Already had a lot of work done to it. Front end bodywork mods have been done to take Ford Escort Mk2 suspension, and the bulkhead had been moved back and it had had a brake servo unit fitted. The rear chassis rails and the boot floor, I ended up replacing the best part of that. So just extended the time of the project a bit, but I was in it for the long run anyway. Well, I'd like to think it's a typical classic Ford because I've always enjoyed the classic Ford scene. I have friends who were in it and enjoyed it. And I know and love the Ford Pinto engine, and I'd got those lying around and it was always going to have a Pinto in it. So I've sort of tried to make it as if somebody in the 1970s or 80s would possibly create in a classic Ford, try and keep it a little bit low key, obviously modified once you look at it closely. Over the lockdown summer, it was all teed up to go for a professional paint job, but as anybody will tell you, that's probably the most expensive part of a restoration, and having built the whole thing myself to try and keep it in a budget, I decided to tackle it myself at home, and it's worked out okay. The whole effect is right. I do use it, enjoy it, but the one but one thing I would like to improve is the gearing. The rear axle is the original axle with modified arrangements for shock absorbers and the like, but unfortunately within this range there was never a ratio rear axle that was more suitable for modern motoring. I'm going to look as to how I can modify that, but it's going to take a bit of thinking about.
Why Ford? Why did you want a Ford all that much? What's it about?
Well, I suppose like a lot of people, it was the first car I ever bought was a Ford. When I competed on the short ovals, it was all Fords, so I'm afraid that yes, it's very much inbred, yeah.
This video is proudly sponsored by Lancaster Insurance. Give them a call on 01480 400 889 for an insurance quote on your classic car. And don't forget to click the link below to enter their latest competition.